And we're keeping an eye on this big number. U.S. hospitalization rates again trending down. Now about 51,000 patients hospitalized nationwide as more Americans are vaccinated for COVID-19. That's down from 104,000 hospitalizations in August.
All right, FDA, Dr. Ashton, in support of the vaccine, Pfizer vaccine for kids 5 to 11. They were presented with all kinds of information, but this was kind of, I don't want to say a no-brainer, but it was expected.
It was expected, but they cleared another hurdle in getting emergency use authorization. I think this really speaks to just how many steps and hoops we have to go through to get this out into the arms of children of this age. So let's go through it again. Pfizer vaccine for ages 5 through 11. Based on the data from clinical trials, there were no cases of that rare heart inflammation, myocarditis, 0 cases of that. Overall, the efficacy really good, about 91% against symptomatic COVID-19 infection, which is significant just in terms of the nuts and bolts, the details. It's a 2-dose regimen, 3 weeks apart. It is a smaller dose. It's 1/3 the amount given to adults and older teens. And one of the things that they presented yesterday were these worst case scenarios. 5 out of 6 of those scenarios for COVID-19 models, the benefits were found to outweigh the risks, and that's why this panel voted pretty much unanimously to give it emergency use authorization.
That all sounds really promising and positive, but for parents out there who are still concerned and on the fence about giving their children this vaccine, what do you say?
First of all, understandable and appropriate. That's our job as parents, to be concerned. But I encourage them to go through these 4 questions. You have to ask, what are the risks of the vaccine? So that information is known based on clinical trials, very, very low. What are the risks of COVID-19? And that's both short-term and long-term risks that we have to take into account. And then what are the benefits of the vaccine? We just heard 91% efficacy, but also keeping kids in school, keeping parents at work, and what are the benefits of not getting vaccinated? You know, that's really a question mark. So those are the 4 questions. Parents should go through that discussion with their child's pediatrician or healthcare provider.
All right, Dr. Jen Ashton, thank you very much.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.